guys, morning. Welcome to this quick Boodle review that I have for you guys. Today I am sharing to you one of my potentially endgame linear budget switches. It's the KTT Mint, but it's not just any other KTT Mints. These are KTT Mints spring swap with your Lumia 56 gram springs. Prior to this, my endgame switches for the OwLab springs would be the Durock POMs, and here's a sound test of that. And it's really good. It's really good. The Durock pumps are very smooth. One of the smoothest switches that I have. I really love them, especially when you've used them for a long time. However, the total cost of the Durock pumps would be a little bit higher, on the higher side. The Durock pumps became very lively after doing the spring swap, which I really love. Before, when I started out the hobby, I wanted all the deep muted thoughts, but currently, right now, I'm more into the livelier sounding switches. Not really, well, yeah, more on the clacky side, but I want it to be like lively, okay, not that muted. So the KTT Mints are really good stock. Lubing them up really increases their statistical quality, if there's such a thing. And I have my review on the switches already. But I tried spring swapping them because, again, my main issue with the KTT switches are that I feel that they are too light for my liking. After spring swapping them with the 56 gram Lumia, boy oh boy, boy oh boy, check out this sound test. Right? Right? Really good. They're really smooth stock, but the sound is a little bit lacking for me after the spring swap. Oh my god, really lively, a little bit louder, and really marbly. I think this is the most quote unquote marbly setup that I've had in a long time. It really sounds like marbles hitting each other. And again, this is a budget switch. I will verify the cost. I'll put it up in the screen description. So yeah, if you guys want to try it out, I do suggest you try it out. It's a good combination. KTT Mints plus the 56 gram Lumia. I really love it. Why 56 grams? Isn't it too light? No, the Lumia springs are really long springs, 3-stage springs. The 56 gram version feels like 62 to 65 grams, which is the perfect spring weight for my liking, for my taste. In the Durock POMs, I do have the 63.5 gram Lumia springs, which honestly feels around 68 to 70, or maybe even heavier, because the springs are so long. Once inside the switches, they're already compressed, thus making it feel heavier than its rated spring weight. So that is it for this review. My Tiger 80 full review is coming up soon. In a couple of days, I'll be posting it. Do stay tuned, like and subscribe. Thank you for supporting Talkie Dokie.